What's up, everybody? Welcome to my very messy garage at the moment. I am in the midst of a project that I started before I pressed record, so you're missing out on the very ground level. So it's super cold in my garage. I have my master's above it. It is pretty cold in there, and I figured let's go ahead and research, figure out how to get the garage door insulated with this stuff here. Like I said, it's a nothing new project to the interwebs and YouTube realm, but it is for me. So this stuff is actually, it's a little less than a ½ inch thick. What I plan on doing is filling up my 1.5 inch gap with 2 of these and a board, not a board, but a scrap kind of pasted in between so that I get a little bit more of an air pocket there as a barrier. Just not doing that. Really? Thanks. Also, here at the beginning of this project, the temperature in here is 51.8 degrees on this monitor. Hey guys, okay, so garage door, right? I kind of average height. I like working like this. I don't like stooping over, hurting my back or anything like that. It's on its own path. It goes up, it goes down. Use it. Work smarter, not harder. Phase 1 is done. Got a bunch of scrap that I'm hoping to kind of place here, maybe there, and be able to slide in another board behind it, giving us a little bit of pressure here and here. Get the foam paneling in. All right, guys. So look, either side of my head here. These are the ribs. Okay, this is what's going to give me a little extra space, a little extra airspace in between these, with the hopes that the the metallic side will slide a little bit better than if we went just plain old styrofoam against styrofoam, this being a little on the smoother side. Rib thing so far. Yeah. There we go. Yeah. Okay. All right, this is the last 2. All right. Oh, dog. I'm done. I'm actually done. Total time took me about 4 hours to do. I'm happy, I'm excited, I'm super impressed with myself. I'll pat myself on the back of the head because under $100, man, this thing looks great. I'll catch you on the next one. Man, I love DIY stuff. Really? Yes, it is time to go.